don't we grab a coffee together? Coffee, the source of happiness for us all. But how is it packed? How does the journey of coffee packaging begin?
Hi, I am Soner Koç, Industrial Director at Korozo. I'm going to tell you the story of how we produce coffee packaging. Korozo produces tailor-made coffee packaging to meet the demands of every single one of our business partners. Let's start out with stand-up pouches. We can add degassing valves to these bags, which let the air out but nothing back in. They also allow your customer to experience the scent over the packaging. When it comes to coffee, appearance is just as important as the scent. Another one of our stand-up pouch solution is flat bottom pouch. It reflects the strong character of coffee on shelves with its outstanding and charming look. Keeping the coffee fresh matters a lot to us. This range can also be fitted with zippers. Reclosable bags keep your coffee fresh like just out of package. During production, we use paper fill technology for a more natural texture. Understanding customer expectations and needs and coming up with quick solution is essential for the success.
Speaking of quick solutions, let me introduce some of our other products. By the way, I am Kemal Yürüm and I am Sales Manager at Korozo. We offer tear-resistant coffee capsule lidding films with an easy puncture function for those who prefer single-use coffee capsule. High-barrier lidding films help keep the coffee fresh. Sometimes, along with freshness, fun and functionality are important too. Interactive brands can put codes inside the packaging, allowing consumers to participate in contests or sweepstakes. Our stick packs provide full protection against light and moisture. Laser scribing allows the end user to easily open the packaging. Vacuum bags with a multi-layer barrier structure provide full protection and make sure that the coffee beans remain fresh. Give us a call if you want to find out more about coffee packaging solutions.